What's up, guys? Welcome back to another one. Today we're going to be doing an oil change on my beautiful steed here, the Yamaha MT-07. And as far as I know, I don't have to take anything off or do anything. I just gotta pull this drain plug here and take off my oil filter here and let it drain. And then replace them both. I got filter and the oil here, both from Yamaha. And you'll notice I got this new windscreen here from, I don't know how to pronounce that, so I'll just let you look at it. And yeah, I fucking love this thing. Honestly, it's it's a bit dirty though. I've been riding with it and using it, but my whole bike's dirty. I need to wash it. But yeah, let's get into that oil change. Oh, fucking Christ. How is that on there so tight? Take the drain plug off. It's 17. That thing looks pretty good. Nothing on my drain plug. Although I don't know if this is magnetic or not. The middle still looks pretty good. Alright guys, now it's time to do the oil filter. May or may not need a tool for that. I'm not sure yet. But we'll see when I figure that out. Alright guys, I had to get the big tools in here. Got I don't really know what this thing's called, but it's a oil filter wrench, we're gonna call it. It's probably what it's called. Anyway, it's the same size as one for a Subaru oil filter, for your information. Got it on there, got it loosened up so I can get it hand tight, because I don't really want to use tools to do all that. Get the rest of this oil drained out of here. That shit looks cute. Nothing there, looks good. Looks good to me. Alright, now we're tightening up the new one. Getting that on there. Oh, get that in there. Get that snug, not too snug. I'll put some oil in this bitch. See you then. Alright guys, gotta put some oil in here. Of course I went with the Yamalube right from Yamaha. You gotta put, I wanna say the manual says 2.75 quarts, so that's what we're gonna put in here. Alright guys, just got the oil change done. Now we're gonna wrap it up. Probably get some shots later after I take it for a wash, because she's dirty. I'll see you then.
Alright y'all, so on today's video, me and Riley from Riley's Moto are going on another ride. We're not real too sure about where we're gonna go, but firstly I need gas, so that's where we're going first. And then I think he wants to go get some lunch, so we're gonna go do that. And then after that I'm not sure where we're going, because he wants to do a ride but doesn't know where he wants to go, and I suggested that we go around the lake, Seneca Lake, because I already went around Cayuga Lake in my one of my last videos. Wow, two of my last videos actually, but hopefully y'all are hearing me too pretty good, because I'm getting a shit ton of wind noise. Like so much. And I figured that I'd throw this as a little part onto my oil change video. Yeah. Oh yeah, Riley's actually testing out his new helmet today too, so if he passes me at any time, y'all get to see it. Which I don't think he will, because he told me to lead, so. And y'all notice the windscreen. I forgot to, I tried doing a video on it, but the video got corrupted and shit, so they didn't end up coming out. I don't know what happened, but yeah, that was supposed to happen, but it didn't. Got me, I'm wearing my vest out here today. Feels nice. Let's see what the temperature, let's see what the ambient temperature is today, folks. At least on the bike. Oh wow. It says 70. Hell yeah. It's a nice fucking day out today, folks. Man, I need to clean my visor. Oh yeah, that's another thing. I got a new visor. Y'all probably can't see. I'll show it to you in a little bit. Well, there, you might be able to see it there. It's a little dirty right now because I got some fucking bugs smacking into my shit today because it's nice and hot out, but I felt like a dark visor was needed. At least for where I fucking live, it always be brighter than shit. I only keep Riley on my left side because I can just glance at this mirror and see him. Hey, well, when he's behind me anyway. The right one's a little different. Actually, it's about the same. Especially when I'm right here where I'm at. I get like a perfect view of him. You might be able to see his helmet. Oh, they're not looking. They are not looking. nice out today. What do you mean? I'm not coming in. That ain't my fucking job. I don't work there. Come on, pop. Sorry, y'all. I'm just talking to myself. There's a new helmet. I don't know if y'all can see it, but he just put his sunglasses down. He got a modular. Something I want to get, but I say I got the money right now. My gearing is crazy on his. But then again, his is a 300 and mine's a 700, so. Yeah. Oh, he got over here. Can't tell. Nice bike though. As y'all can tell, he's got to shift a lot more gears than I do. I ain't even got to get over. Where you going, man? You know I need to get some gas. I probably should have waited on that, but huh? Oh. Whenever take a stop here, either get fuel or money for the car wash, not sure. Be right back, y'all. Yeah. Probably stop and get food first and then figure out where we're going. Alright. Alright, y'all. I don't even know where we're going for food. So, because we're passing a bunch of restaurants right now, so wherever he wants to go is where we're going, I guess. Maybe ain't got no comms today because mine are dead. Forgot to charge them, fortunately. gonna be good enough to wheelie. And one of us will get it on camera, hopefully. Till then, I'll just keep practicing on my little back roads and. I can't hear him. I didn't hear a word you said. What? I said all I heard was Cayuga Heights.
Up 13, off Cayuga Heights.
I'm still just gonna follow him. Nice in Ithaca though. Like, not like yes and no. Yes, because there's so many bikes. No, because there's so many potholes and other bullshit. Like he's already in second gear. I'm still in first. He just put into third gear. I'm just now going into second. That's a nice bike. Couldn't tell what kind it was as I was passing, but I'm sure if I watch back in the video I could probably see. I just thought that'd be a little more fun than sitting in all that fucking traffic. I still have no idea where we're going, so I just like being in first, because if you ain't first, you're last. Oh, there's a camera over on that post over there. Ah, you never noticed that. There's a camera over there. I never noticed that. make it. You can make it. Come on. Come on. There you go, buddy. And he says he can't get down. His peg almost, you getting good down there, boy. We were going to get something to eat. Could have swore he just had his signal on. There he goes. Pretty sure that's the house I used to clean. I don't know. Well, not even clean. Fucking, I used to mow it. But I don't think that was the house anyway. Boys out here disturbing the peace with that motherfucking buddy. I mean, I would be too if this bike had a pipe on it, but it don't. Alright, at this point, I have no idea where we're going. I think we're just riding around taking turns, honestly. We're going on an adventure. Huh.
Just so you know, I don't know where I am.
Me either.
Okay. Turning. I'm going.
That's alright.
Okay. I'll go straight.
Right turn it is. I think we're up in Cornell now. Yeah. That's what it's looking like. Yeah, we're back up at Cornell again. I don't know. I also have no idea what he just said. I'm guessing something about Cornell, but oh, is that an observatory? Observatory? Yeah. I didn't even know we had an observatory up here. That thing was run down as fuck. See what he's shooting, left or right? Good. Right it is. Oh, I think I know where the Swede's down to. More or less. Because that's a one-person bridge. Well, one-lane bridge, so only one way can go across it at a time. And left it is. I forget that he's on a smaller bike sometimes, and I can't just fucking yak like he does. Okay. think so. Y'all like yams, I like yams. Candied yams are like, That was super random, but it just came to my mind like, man, I could go for some fucking sweet potatoes right now, you know what I'm saying? In my helmet, that kind of sounded like Theo Vaughn. They probably don't in real life. Oh yeah, my nose itches. What are you doing, Volvo? There you go. That shit literally just rattled my eardrums. Oh my god. Oh, you turning. How funny would that be if this was the road we started out on? I'm pretty sure it ain't though. Make sure y'all are still there. I know my car will last long enough, but that is though. Oh, let's go back out onto the highway, I guess. I'm assuming we're taking a left here. Haha, look at me go. Yeah, I'm following it. Oh, yeah. I didn't even see that. Good eye, good eye. Want to do a wheelie whenever he's in front of me, but he can't see me if I do that wheelie. Yeah, left here, that's what I thought. Alright guys, we'll be right back as soon as we go get some food and see what we're going to do else on a ride. And after that, I'll see y'all there. Peace. Alright y'all, and we are back. Still didn't figure out where we were going to ride, so... I know he wants to take a left out of here, but I honestly have no idea. Oh, got a wedgie. Dude, that thing just has a tone to it that gets right in your eardrums, man. My God. What are you doing? I don't think this is the left that he wanted. Or something, I don't know. I think there's a spider on his bike. Huh? I was telling you.
Oh, there's a fucking spider crawling right here. That's where about a McDonald's came up out of here and just sat right there.
Fucking A.
I thought this was a road that went that way. Apparently not.
No.
So we'll pull back out and we'll go straight.
Alright. He just had a spider on his bike. Honestly, I think it's still there too. He had a spider on his dash.